This is an axe that I'm fixing. And this is it once I'm finished with it. Stay tuned to the end to see what it looks like. First of all, I'm going to need to get rid of the handle. Now let's clean up the head a little, and then get to making the new handle. Now it's time to put the head onto the handle. And yes, for all the professionals, I did yet again forget to put the wood glue on before putting in the wedge. Now it's time to sharpen the blade. Now normally this would be the end of the video, however, when I was recording more shots of me cutting up some wood, this happened. Rather than addressing the issue directly, I decided to do what most people do and just put a band-aid over it by coating it with resin.
But before, if you enjoy this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. And just know, if you want to find any of the stuff used in this video, you can find them in the description below.
Now with that aside, let's get back to the video. Here I decided to sand off a big portion of the metal to give it a nice reflective look.
Since I had some extra leather on hand, I thought it would be a good idea to make a leather sheath from scratch. I coated the handle in clear resin to prevent the wood putty from cracking. And after that, I sanded the resin down and then put some stain on it to give it a nice clear shine. And last but not least, I resharpened the axe. This is what it was. This is what it turned into. And this is what it is. Sadly, however, because of the structural integrity of the axe, I knew that there was no way, out of any possible circumstance, that I was going to swing it again. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, peace.